In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use translation groups in Mpower version 9.2 to make it easier for you to insert presentation slides that are available in two different languages. Before you can use this function, your Mpower admin must create a translation group between the respective slides, which are available in both languages, German and English, for example. This is the link between the respective slides, which is called a translation group. If you open the library in the Start group by clicking on the library button and navigate to the slides there, you can already see in the mouse over from this symbol whether a translation group has been stored by your Mpower admin for the corresponding slide or not. I will now insert this slide into the presentation to show the function of the translation group with an example. Therefore, if you want to translate a slide to another language using a translation group, select the appropriate slide to translate to the other language. Then go to the Transform group in the Mpower ribbon and select the Translate button. This will open a window where you can choose whether to translate the entire presentation or the selected slides. Now you can select the target language. Since we have the English slide here, it will now be translated into German. Your Mpower admin determines the available number of languages via the setting options. After clicking on OK, this slide is now replaced by the English slide of the translation group. This saves you the trouble of searching for the German slide in the library and makes sure that you insert the right slide into your presentation. Even without first looking in the library, existing or newly created presentations can be checked for translations in the library. The translation group works from language A to language B, as well as vice versa. If no translation group for a presentation slide has been created by your Mpower admin, this message will appear. Feel free to test the function yourself and save valuable time. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.